Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, with farmers losing roughly $14 billion per year due to farm theft, an agricultural protection branch has been established within the police force.
The Agriculture Minister Floyd Green made that announcement and others in the House of Representatives on Tuesday.
Andrea Chisholm was listening.
In 2018, news came that the JCF would establish an agricultural protection branch to better catch criminals who steal crops and animals from farmers. 7 years later, it's a reality. During the sectoral debates, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green announced that the branch has been established.
This will be headed by Assistant Commissioner of Police with a clear mission to enforce laws, regulations governing agriculture, to develop strategies to prevent and investigate agriculture-related crimes, and to safeguard the livelihood of our farmers. The branch will be staffed with a senior superintendent, a superintendent in charge of special investigations, an agricultural wards division, and a drones unit, which will provide surveillance support in the fight against predial larceny.
Cabinet has also approved changes to the Predial Larceny Prevention Act, which will include stiffer penalties. Parliament will soon examine those amendments. Agricultural wardens are also expected to come on stream this year. 243 candidates have completed written exams, physical assessments, and background checks. They are awaiting medical examinations and training. Last year, 139 persons were arrested for predial larceny and 28 motor vehicles seized. There are now 201 cases before the court. In the meantime, plans are advanced to bolster the resilience of specific crops.
And this year, the Banana Board will be introducing 3 new varieties of banana, all highly productive varieties and highly tolerant to the TR4 disease. We're also introducing the Hass variety of avocado. We have to look at what is happening in the world trade. We've already started a pilot on that. We've done some work with our sweet potato varieties, and we're going to be introducing 2 local sweet potato varieties which have been cleaned of virus.
And earlier this month, the Jamaica Organic Agricultural Movement warned that frequent pesticide residues in local produce could be causing serious health and environmental issues. The organization also called for policy changes to make it easier for farmers to grow organically. Minister Green announced that a national organic agricultural policy is being developed.
This national organic agricultural policy will serve as the roadmap to unlock Jamaica's potential in this expanding global market. It will provide legal and regulatory framework, institutional framework for organic certification to ensure that it is credible, accessible, and aligned. We are going to enhance market access for certified organic products, both locally and internationally.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
And in response